The Philippine National Police is tapping into its confidential funds to up or double its bounty for information leading to the capture or arrest of the country's most wanted person. The sum of 20 million pesos, or twice the amount of the previous reward money, may just turn the trick and perhaps prod one of Charlie Atong Ang's close associates or inner circle friends to turn on him, given the irresistible reward. Our Ryan Lisigas has more.
Charlie Atong Ang is facing yet another warrant of arrest in connection with the case of missing Sabongeros. This time, the San Pablo Regional Trial Court Branch 29 issued a warrant for the case of kidnapping with serious illegal detention. Despite the piling cases filed against Ang, authorities have still failed to arrest the businessman. Because of this, the Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, has increased the bounty on Ang's head. From 10 million pesos, it has been doubled to 20 million pesos.
Kung pumatay ka ng 100 tao at may bilyon-bilyon kong pesong pera nakatago at kala mong hindi ka accountable sa batas, may darating rin yung araw mo. Darating rin yung araw mo. Kailangan harapin mo yung ginawa mong mali. Napakarami niyang pera. Napakarami niyang pinatay. Napakalaki ng kinita niya.
To speed up the search for Ang and other high-profile fugitives, the DILG also approved the purchase of a LiDAR drone. The LiDAR drone is an unmanned vehicle equipped with light detection and ranging sensors.
Yung LiDAR na yan can penetrate through canopies of trees para makita mo kung ano nasa ilalim ng mga puno. So we're going to be deploying that in the next few months para sa mga intensive manhunt operations sa amin kay Bantag, kay Atong Ang, meron pa yung at saka mga parating pa na indictment sa mga floodgate control scandal.
Remulla believes Ang is still in the country. This contradicts claims of the businessman's whereabouts in Cambodia.
Siguro naman, in the interest of justice, kung yung mga nagnanakaw nga ng lotion, kinikulong natin sa Quezon City Jail ng 6 na buwan, ito, bilyon-bilyon ng kinita, daan ng pinatay. Dapat naman managot siya. Hindi naman pwedeng, porque may pera siya, makakawala siya habang buhay.
Ang is being tagged as the mastermind in the case of the missing Sabongeros. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.